Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to print Excel sheet in landscape. So let's start this from Excel. So print in landscape, just go to the file tab and click on the print option. And here you can see the print preview showing. Okay. The second way you can use the shortcut key Control P to print the Excel sheet. Okay. So here you can easily print the landscape page. Okay. So to landscape page, click on this option orientation. Just click on this drop down arrow. And here the two orientation is portrait and second is landscape. So I select here the landscape and see the changes over here. Okay. The page converted in landscape orientation. After that, simply select the printer and click on the print. And that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.